Expert investigations can vary dramatically in content and scope, depending on your field of expertise. An automobile accident investigator may have to spend time at the site of an accident, taking photographs and following up with interviews of people involved in the accident. A psychiatrist may also conduct interviews, but possibly never have to leave their office. A computer specialist may have to make copies of hard drives and correlate the information found on those drives with the details of the crime that occurred. What these various expert witness roles have in common is the mountains of documents to review regarding the case. The lawyer that hires you will usually begin with a brief synopsis of the case. Then, he will provide you some of the documents to read. Sometimes an attorney may provide you with a summary of certain documents that are available. While his summary may be helpful, the documents you receive from the attorney may represent only part of the total discovery data. Moreover, these very summaries may themselves only contain oversimplifications and sometimes even errors. An important tactic, then, is that you should not rely on attorney summaries of documentation. You yourself must review documents of importance and relevance to draw your own conclusions and form opinions based on the document's contents. Your responsibility as you ramp up your investigation to develop opinions is to decide which documents and evidence you should review directly. You have to read and personally study the relevant documents. To do this, you should go personally to the attorney's war room, which contains copies of all the discovery documents. If possible, you yourself should choose which documents you wish to review. You can ask if any indexes exist for the documents, which can then help you in those choices. Then again, the so-called war room may look more like a war zone, in which neither labels nor indexes exist. In that case, you will have to wade through the documents to make some decisions about them. As you proceed to do this, you should keep your own printed records of the documents by both name and any date stamp identifications. To do your job well as an expert witness, you will at times have to refer to the various documents you have read, any tests you've run, and procedures that you have followed. Everything has to lead logically and methodically to your expert opinions. You cannot simply use a lifetime of experience in your field of expertise as justification for any expert opinion. Such an opinion without appropriate foundation is called a net opinion and is not strong enough legally for you as an expert witness. Your total research and analysis and the thoroughness and carefulness with which you perform that work is what will make your opinions legally acceptable to the judge and to the jurors.